I've done a lot of videos about maintaining your classroom, but I haven't talked about maintaining your body much. One of the things that's definitely going to take a lot of stress when you're teaching is your voice. And in order to help out with that, I highly recommend having throat drops or cough drops. The nice thing about it is they're not only soothing, but they kind of help you to get stuff out of your throat if you got some phlegm. So, you know, they're good for when you're sick, but they're good for when you're not sick too. And magnet works beautiful. There it is, right on my whiteboard, just ready for me all the time. Or if I don't want to put it on my whiteboard, you know where I'm going. I can just keep it right there. Beautiful.